So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy General Motors stock on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass. Then in the search bar at the top, type in ticker symbol GM. General Motors is the first option. Press on that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're on the buy screen, make sure that buy is selected. If it's red, it'll say sell. If it's green, it'll say buy. Once you're here, you can change the session. You can change the order type, so limit or market. You can also go down to where it says quantity. So if you wanted to purchase, for example, 10 shares, you can type in the amount. And then right where it says amount, that's how much you'd be paying. And once, if all looks good, you want to proceed, press on the green buy button, and then go through the steps that way. So very simple, super straightforward. This is how to buy General Motors stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.